We got the base for the telescope on there. We've got our batteries in there. Now we can put the telescope on this. But we got a problem, right? If I slide the telescope down on this, it'll just fall right through, right? So the way this works is there's a clamp. You see how that's moving out? Watch. See how that turns out? Now watch when I turn it this way. It pushes in. And that's how it holds the telescope in there. So first we got to unscrew it so it's a little bit flush. Not too flush, because you can see how this is like a little angle there. And when you slide the telescope in, you got to get the side with the angle on it. So if you look, it doesn't matter because they're both the same side. But what we're going to do is we're going to turn this thing so that it rotates and this is horizontal. And then we can just slide this in without having to worry about gravity pulling it down. You follow me? All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to come to this side of the base. And you're going to notice there's a little thingamabob here, and then there's a little thingamabob here. This is your universal on button. So what we're going to do is we're just going to turn that on. I'm just going to press it like this, and then bam, look, it's on, ready to go. But I got to get this thing rotated, right? So before I try to calibrate it or do anything, I want to put the thing on. So what we're going to do is I'm going to press on this top button until this rotates all the way around and it becomes horizontal. So I'm going to go ahead and press, and you'll notice it's turning. You see that? Got my finger on it. It's going to rotate all the way around. And then when we get it pretty horizontal, which is what we want, right there, boom. See that? Now if I want to go the other way, I could just do a little hit and just back it up until it's perfectly even. All right, there we go. So now we're even here, right? So now we can go ahead and set our telescope on there. And the way we're going to do that is I'm just going to slide it in like this until you see the name over on this side. So that's what we're going to do. So here, you see, I've got to get the telescope to slide into those little crevices here. But so this has to be tight enough right here so that it doesn't fall forward out of the machine. So I think I'm pretty close. We're going to slide it in and see. So I'm coming from this angle. I'm going to bring her in. Once you get all these things figured out, it's going to be easier. I don't know if you guys can see it. Nope. Nope, too tight. Okay, we got to go down a little bit. Like that. You got to get under here and under here. All right. Let's see. Pick her up and slide her through. Too tight. Loosen her. Get her all the way through until I see the name, and I start to tighten it. I think I got it. I'm afraid to let go of it. All right, come over here. I want you guys to see. If I loosen it just a little bit here, I can get this pretty even with the edge. But I think I'm good. So now I'm turning it this way to tighten it. You follow me? I want it on there, man. I don't want this falling off. All right, I think I'm good. Let's come over here and check it out. Take a look at it. We got it on there. Let's see what happens when I do this. That's up. That's down. It's left. That's right. All right, we finally did something right. Thank God. You can see here how it's slid under and it slid under there. And then this, you're going to have to hold it and twist it. If you got another person to help you, it might be good. You know what I mean? But that gets it on there. And you want to be able to see the name. You follow me? You want to be able to see the name. And there we are. We're on. It looks pretty good. Now the next thing is we got to put our spotter on here. That's our next thing.